Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. And I'm starting off on the daily time frame today because on the daily is where you can see that we potentially have the end of a 333 pattern, a WXY. If that is true, which it looks like it could be, then this potentially is starting a brand new downtrend on the daily, which likely will go down and take out the previous lows, continuing that weekly, monthly time frame downtrend. So because of that information, I definitely would be very, very bearish, which I've been recommending shorts all week long anyways, looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks and pulse moves to the downside to continue to go short. So I definitely don't think I would try to go short right now, even though this could be a one, a two, and a three. Unfortunately, the strategy right now is to either already be short or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for more shorting opportunities for continuation of the downtrend. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right at the end of an impulsive candle. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.